Hi everyone. Today topic is protein. Actually, nutrition. The study of nutrients is called that nutrition. Different type of nutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, and vitamins. Macronutrients mainly three parts: carbohydrates, proteins, fat. Today, proteins. The chemical elements combination of proteins: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur. 70 to 100 grams proteins used per day. 70 to 100 grams. 1 gram protein 4 or 3.9 kilocalorie energy. This is the next point. Very important, building block of the body structure, proteins. And after that, proteins formation of proteins formed that cell part is ribosomes. Actually, cell is the structural functional basic unit of organism. That cell main three parts: plasma membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. But cell totally proteins formed ribosomes. Ribosomes main common protein factory our body. Protein factory of the body structure, ribosomes. And after that, suicidal bag of the cell, lysosomes. Powerhouses of the cell, mitochondria. Different, very important. Next one, proteins main important. Proteins helps body building and produce enzymes, hormones, and after that antibodies also, proteins. And next one, two type of the protein: biological complete proteins and next one biologically incomplete proteins. First one is biological complete protein. This one is, these are first class proteins. Next one, these are high percentage of essential amino acids. High percentage of essential amino acids. Example: milk, egg, meat, fish, prawns. These are totally first class proteins. High percentage of amino acids. This is the biologically completely proteins. Next one, biologically incomplete proteins. This is the second class proteins. And after that, this is a low percentage of essential amino acids. Examples: vegetables, leaf vegetables, and fruits. Next one, amino acids. The structural functional unit of proteins, amino acids. The structural functional unit of fat, glycerols. This is the main amino acids. Amino acids common building blocks of the protein. Amino acids. Amino group and carboxyl group is present. Amino group and carboxyl group. Next one, peptide bond. Peptide bond means a bond between two amino acids. This is a peptide bond. A bond between two amino acids is called that peptide bond. Next one, polypeptide bond. Different, more than peptide bonds formed a bond. That one is called polypeptide bond. And after that, main concept, amino acids. Next one, formed polypeptide chain. Next, finally our protein formation. And after that, total in nature useful and are useful. The participated of protein preparation useful only amino acids, 20 amino acids. And different type of amino acids, the child amino acid very important, histidine. And sulfur combination amino acids are very important, competitive examination. Sulfur combination amino acids, methionine, cysteine, cysteine. This is the protein information. Next one, amino acids are two types. Amino acids mainly two types. Number one is essential amino acids. Next, non-essential amino acids. Essential amino acids not synthesized by mammals. This is the synthesized, non-essential. Very important. This totally essential amino acids 9. Histidine, child amino acid, isoleucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, and tyrosine, tryptophan, and after that threonine and valine. This is the totally essential amino acids are 9. And sulfur combination amino acids, methionine, cysteine, cysteine. Non-essential amino acids, alanine, arginine, asparagine, aspartic acid, cysteine and glutamic acid, glutamine, glycine, proline, serine, tyrosine. These are non-essential amino acids. Essential amino acids and non-essential amino acids. Essential amino acids main important not synthesized by mammals. This one is synthesized by mammals. Non-essential. Proteins are main important role. Helps bodybuilding and totally produce main important hormones, enzymes and antibodies. This is the today topic protein topic. Next we will continue fat. Thank you so much. Do like and subscribe.